Okay guys, so with this link here, right, you put on Google, and this is going to open. You click go to the classroom, and then here it asks you to log in. Okay, so you log in. After you have logged in, it's going to ask you, because you have no classes, so crie ou participe da primeira turma. So participar de uma turma, and then you put this code here. You copy the code and you put here to participate. Okay, so this will open. You click on Atividades, and then you click on the fair, and you click on this link, and this is going to open. You do cartões, after aprender, then write, escrever. When you finish escrever, you take a print, dá print da tela, okay? And then you can do combinar, which is a game just to test you, okay? If you have any questions, ask me.